Hello my dear friends, welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to turn on picture in picture on TikTok. So let's get started. First of all, go to settings, scroll down to the page, find the apps option, tap to open them. After that, use the search bar at the very top. Here simply search for TikTok. Once you found the name, tap to open the app info page. Then scroll down to the menu, locate the picture in picture option, tap on it, and if it turn off your phone, simply turn it on first. After it enable, go back to the app page your phone. Then here this time tap on the three dots more button. After that, click on special access option. You can see various options appear there. Locate the picture in picture option, tap on it. Then scroll down to the page and find the TikTok option. If it turn off your phone, simply turn it on first. After it enable, close the app, then open the TikTok app your phone. After the TikTok app is open, simply swipe the navigation gesture on your phone or tap on the recent tab, and this time the TikTok app is pop up. However, if you don't pop up, don't worry. This time you can simply tap on hold it. From the pop-up menu, scroll through the page. You can find picture in picture option, tap on it and automatically activate the picture in picture mode this TikTok. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video.